We're going to go out today and catch some mule deer fawns for our winter mortality study.
At first, it sounds like scientific gibberish to Tori and Katie, but they are about to find out just how fun and interesting wildlife management can be.
We're going to use a helicopter to go out and find some mule deer fawns and run them into these big long nets that we've set up.
Will they get hurt?
Oh no, the nets are designed to fall down as soon as the deer hit them, and they're pretty tough. These fawns are bigger than you think. In fact, most of them are bigger than you are.
Bigger than I am? I thought those little spotted fawns were puny.
Well, they were last spring when they were born, but now it's 6 months later and they might weigh up to 80 or 90 pounds.
What do you do with them?
Come with me, I'll show you. You guys ready to go to work?
Us?
Sure, we can use all the help we can get.
Okay.
Will they come like down this strip?
It's hard to say. Deer will pretty much come whichever way they want to, so he's going to try to guide them with the helicopter into the net. Go, go, go! Let's go to work. Okay, hold on to those forelegs, okay? Put your head right there, okay? It's okay, hold that. If it starts moving, you push your head down and just squeeze on tight.
What's the collar for?
Well, we're going to use this radio collar to track where this deer moves. It also has a signal in it that will tell us if it stops moving. And if it stops moving for a period of time, we're going to know that it died. And then we can go in and figure out what killed it. Okay, hook it right here. And keep the tension on that. Lift it up. Let's see. Pull it the whole way off the ground. And when it's clear, girls, can you read that for me? What's that say?
80.
80 pounds. Okay, let's put it.
Why are you weighing it?
We're weighing the fawns because it gives us a pretty good idea of what condition the winter range is in.
About 86.
Wow, that does weigh more than me.
In fact, the weight of the fawn is a pretty good indicator of whether this fawn's going to make it through the winter or not. Helicopter, we're ready for more.
Copy.
Everybody down!
Katie and Tori have become part of the team,
Here they come.
catching the deer, processing the fawns, and learning a lot about wildlife management.
Get them, get them, get them, get them! Go, girls! Okay. I'm going to go ahead and put this radio collar on now. Anybody tell me why we do this?
So you can keep track of it and tell when it dies?
Right.
They're huge and very strong.
25 fawns are captured, collared, and released. These animals will be followed throughout the winter and early spring to track how many survive.
How does finding out what kills a deer help you manage deer?
Some people think that predators are the main reasons that fawns die, and sometimes that's true. But we've learned from our research that sometimes fawns are dying from predators because they're weak and malnourished. And that sounds like a habitat problem, not a predator problem.
If it's a habitat problem, it would affect the carrying capacity of deer, right?
Whoa! You two really do know your stuff. Say, are you two thinking of being biologists someday?
Yeah!
What did you two learn about wildlife management today?
Well, you guys have to get up really early.
It's cold and it's really hard work. But it's very cool.